U.S.S Iowa. When did this come in? When did this come in last time?
It was just here not too long ago. What?
When did this?
Get built?
No. Oh, that was built for World War II, right? Yeah.
Hi, welcome. This is the captain's quarters, and this particular room here was used for meetings and also rest and relaxation. And the adjoining compartment is where the captain would sleep, and also his private bathroom. And that bathroom contains a bathtub, which was put on for President Roosevelt when we carried President Roosevelt from Norfolk, Virginia to the continent of Africa. And so it was a 2-week journey for him. And having polio, they needed to put the bathtub in. Captains, most ships, they have two staterooms for captains. There's one behind the bridge, and then there's the bigger one. So in the admiral being or the president, yeah, it was.
Oh, the big bathtub.
Yeah.
Big bathtub too. Yeah.
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 Probably not.
Look how big it is. Damn, it's huge.
But yeah, imagine running down through these. People all coming both ways.
You'd probably be
Look at
tripping.
this. This tells you where you are. Yeah. This tells you where you are. Well, I mean, it's all that big.
Silly stuff. Right here. But the only problem would be with this boat, if you were running out, you might trip.
Well, that's why you got to pay attention.
Yeah, but if there's like an
Because
emergency,
you got to make yourself smaller. You got to get up over.
that's why it's perfect for a kid size, because you could just roll right in. Wow. What's this lead to, Dad?
Goes into this turret here. This was probably a gun, like a 5-inch gun. Yeah. That's how you go in.
Well, there's actually multiple ways, and that's a mirror, right?
The way in and the way out.
Yeah, you can't just go one way.
Well, what happens when the door gets shut?
At least you'd have something to do.
Hi. Imagine a plane, really. Oh, plane engines.
It's another gun. Hey, Dad, what's this for? The anchor?
Could be to tie off.
Yeah. Just thick rope. yeah, we have to. Yeah, this is big. Whoa. Safety hazard. Oops, sorry. U.S.S Iowa. What do you think this tunnel leads to, Dad? Or how could you climb up it? There's probably a ladder. Just a reminder, that's neighbors here. And hey, Dad, I'm gonna be right up here. Is that okay? I'm not gonna go up. What's this? Oh. That's a safety hazard. Are you go upstairs?
Let's see what's going on, dude.
What's this?
Huh?
What's this?
This was one of those, you could see your measure, right? So you could see where you are. So you'd be like 260 degrees.
I didn't see
they had
that.
a big telescope on.
Right over there before I started.
See, this is part of the bridge. This is how they would drive.
We can get in here.
No, I don't think so, bud.
No, I thought I saw some people in here.
You get above here.
Sorry. Yeah, it's closed. Thought I saw. No, it might be the one above. Yeah, you're right.
Parts. They're like the illegal parts that people.
Look, Uncle Cal, it's a Georgia Corvette.
Okay. Wow, what's this? What's this? Oh, see here, Grandpa. I'm gonna go in here, Dad. One sec.
Yeah, because we're up on the bridge.
I'm gonna. I don't know, what was this for, Dad? The seat?
Probably commander of the deck.
Yeah. Do you think this boat could survive if it went underwater?
Sit here and tell her how to connect everybody. I don't know. So the frequency, what channel each different departments are.
Dad, if this boat went underwater, do you think anyone would survive?
No.
Cargo. Stowage. Window wiper. Dad, window wipers. Window wipers. What's this for?
See, that's where they would drive the sheep over.
Oh, cool. You guys,
Three below.
Executive office. Some cat will sit on that side.
and that's long jump down. I know. I seen that. We saw that the other right there when we started. Sealed shut.
Oh, that's all right.
You're walking on the bottom, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, Dad, what's this?
Looks like your steps.
For short sailors.
Cool. Not
They
cool.
want to be 10 years old, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this is where the captain is. He can see all the way out there. Can you guys see? Little guys, can you see? Yeah.
Look, there's the American flag.
That's just like for air. This is all the machinery he needs for steering.
Window wiper.
Yeah, there's one back
How
there.
fast he could
There's
go.
one back there.
What?
What's that?
Those are more pieces. It's like steering stuff.
That's a catapult.
Right, in case he has to call the people down in below deck. Here's where he writes if he looks at his maps. You know what? They didn't have any computers then. That's all part of how the ship works. Electricity. They had no computers. They had to put the map out here and take out their pencil.
Sorry.
More stuff for steering. That's for announcing. He announces to the sailors, all men on deck. They didn't have any women sailors in those days.
This door weighs 4,000 pounds. There's two of them, one on each
All men on
side.
deck. Everybody
The
get
ship goes
ready.
into general quarters. They
That's a
store
longer
clothes.
jump. Yeah.
There's a crew of about 8 to 10 in there that are actually operating.
Would people
the ship.
jump off the boat
Also,
if
the
it
deck
was
helmsmen, the lee helmsmen,
sinking? Would they just jump off
quartermaster,
and swim?
several other people that are assisting to keep the ship going in the right direction. There's, besides the viewing slits, there's also 2 periscopes in there. If for some reason they were unable to pilot the ship from here, there's an auxiliary helm above us, about 3 levels above us, and the aft steering compartment has steering capability there. So, anywhere on the ship, there's usually about 2 or 3 ways of doing things. Sure. Outstanding, thank you. You're welcome.
You're on the other side.
This is the armored conning
Try to
tower
go,
of the ship.
but
This
just,
is where the
yeah,
ship was
catch
piloted
it to my
from. You can
face.
see the helm in there.
Oh man.
Oh, there's a big China shipping line.
You want to go up the stairs, Dad?